G'day guys, welcome to Sumo's Projects. Hope everyone's staying well, safe and coping with the current affairs of the world. But I'm here today to announce something that might brighten up our spirits a little bit, and that is I'm going to be hosting a Make a Challenge, Sumo's Projects Scrapwood Challenge 2020. It's something I thought of just to get a lot of people in the community involved. I'm looking forward to seeing how many people will participate. It's going to be a fun thing to do. Already got a little bit of camaraderie. I've thrown a few hints out there to people, and the feedback's been overwhelmingly really good. So what it will entail, it's actually quite easy. Make something and utilise any type of joinery you want. So if you're into dominoes, use dominoes, mortise and tenon, dirty old screws, 6-inch gal nails, bubble gum, shoelaces. It's all available, but it has to be something you make that's going to work, has a function, and what you basically got to do is explain the detail of the process of making, and obviously in the end result we'll see if it does work or not. Doesn't have to be anything specific. It can be an add-on, it can be a jig, it can be this or that. Sky's the limit, use your imagination. But I suppose here's the kicker, because as YouTubers we all tend to like to, you know, make videos, and they've got a substantial bit of timing to it. So for this challenge, your video cannot be any longer than 3 minutes long. So if you're a person who's got an introduction in their video, or just likes to have a chat, you might just have to rejig that, you know, and reconfigure everything to suit this challenge of a video. It's going to be fun. So what we're going to do, we're going to just address it as Sumo's Projects Scrapwood Challenge 2020, or and we're going to be using the hashtag here, hashtag spswc2020. So we'll do that, we'll all fall into line. So I'm allowing 3 weeks roughly, the 8th and 9th, which is a Saturday and Sunday of August. It's then time to release your videos. 3 weeks is enough time to make them. And what I'll do is I'll release one on, say, the Saturday night here, Australian Eastern Standard Time. So, you know, we look at the audience for Europe and all that. And yeah, once we get all the videos, I'm going to collate all the channels and put them into a playlist. So after Sunday or after Monday or Tuesday, there'll be a big playlist, hopefully everyone to be part of this. Please tell them, you know, if you're part of a group of makers who make videos, tell them. But let me know, so I know who haven't subscribed to the unknown people. Maybe I haven't come across their channels. Always love supporting other channels, and we'll go about it that way. So should be a fun challenge. 3 minutes. It's going to be tough, but relies on a good bit of editing going on. So if you want to contact me, obviously on this video, if you want to leave a comment down below and just you know, say I'm Joe Blow and I'm new, or I've got a channel, and I'll subscribe to that channel. Hopefully everyone else will as well. You can also find me on Facebook, Sumo's Projects on Facebook. Put that in your search there, and should come up with my page. Or go to Instagram, Sumo's Projects, all quite simple. And I've got the Sumo's Projects logo. So looking forward to seeing as many people contacting me on that as possibly can. So that's just about it. Oh, now I'm going to have some prizes. Hang on. So we've got some prizes. I've got a few of these driver bits. I'll look around for some more of these shop signs. I've sent them away for past giveaways. They're always good fun. Also got some things like corner clamps and some Miles Craft products, which are probably handy. You get a use out of them in your shops. Now there's going to be an independent judge to this, because I figured that's the best way to do it, and that judge is Judge Dredd. His name's Luke, and he does nothing on YouTube, but he's got a little bit of a keen eye sometimes, and not just into anything that we do as makers, but everything. So it'll be a pretty good call. So looking forward to that, and any questions, let me know. So that's about it, guys. I'm going to be having a shop update video in between. So anything kinks we have to iron out, like if you've got any questions and you can't contact me directly here, we'll just discuss them further then. And I look forward to seeing what everyone can do in a 3-minute build video, because that's all the time you got. Alright guys, thank you, and I hope everyone accepts the challenge, and I look forward to it really a lot. And hopefully we can get other makers hosting a challenge of their own in the future out of this. So I'm going to be working on something small just to keep a little bit of interest generated within the YouTube family of makers, and hopefully we can all be part of this and we'll participate in other people's challenges. Alright, looking forward to it guys. Hooroo!